A payroll parameter category organizes payroll components to ensure accurate and efficient processing while adhering to financial policies. To configure the payroll parameter category, navigate to the Human Resource module and select Payroll Parameters panel as shown. In the newly opened window, click on the Categories Plus icon to access the Category Setup panel. Here, fill in all the required fields. Before proceeding, ensure that the relevant expense account, expense subaccount, liability account, and liability subaccount have already been configured in the Ledger Subaccounts module, so that they are available for selection during this process. Enter a descriptive name for the payroll parameter category in the name field, such as housing allowance or employee deductions, ensuring clarity and identification in payroll processes. From the type dropdown, select the category type, such as tax relief, pre-tax deduction, or post-deduction, to define its functional role in payroll management. Choose the appropriate expense account from the drop-down menu, specifying where related expenses will be recorded in the financial ledger, and select the corresponding expense subaccount for more detailed categorization and tracking of financial outflows. Similarly, pick the relevant liability account to allocate associated obligations correctly, ensuring compliance with financial reporting, and select the corresponding liability sub-account to ensure precise tracking of liabilities related to this category. After entering and selecting the required fields, review the information to confirm accuracy. Once satisfied, click the Add button to save the payroll parameter category. This step integrates the category into the system, making it ready for use in payroll calculations and financial reporting.